The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman were sitting in their kitchen. They were both feeling hungry. They wanted a snack. "Let's make some gingerbread," said the woman. "Yum! I love gingerbread," replied the man. Quickly, they found everything they needed. They measured and poured. They stirred and mixed and rolled. Then the woman cut out a big gingerbread man. "He can have raisins for eyes and a cherry for his nose," she said. "And some orange rind for his mouth," said the man. Before long, the delicious smell of gingerbread filled the kitchen. But as soon as the man and the woman opened the oven door, the gingerbread man jumped out and ran away. "Stop! Stop! We're hungry," shouted the man. "Stop! Stop! We do love gingerbread," cried the woman. The man and the woman ran after the gingerbread man, but he just ran faster. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He ran past a tree where a boy was pushing a girl on a swing. "Stop, stop!" shouted the girl. "We love gingerbread," called the boy. The man and the woman and the boy and the girl all ran after the gingerbread man, but he just ran faster. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He ran and ran, past a dog and a cat, and on through the town. "Stop, stop!" meowed the cat. "We love gingerbread," barked the dog. The gingerbread man kept running. Soon he had left the town far behind. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He ran up a hill, and everyone ran after him. He ran down the other side, and everyone got closer. Then the gingerbread man came to a river. He stopped and stared. "What can I do? There is no bridge," cried the gingerbread man. Suddenly a fox appeared from behind a tree. "Don't worry, little gingerbread man. Just hop on my back and I'll carry you across," said the fox. The gingerbread man held on tightly as soon as the fox jumped into the water, but soon, "Help! My feet are getting wet," called the gingerbread man. "Climb on my head and I'll keep you dry," said the fox. But in no time at all his feet were getting wet again. "Help! My feet are getting wet," shouted the gingerbread man. "Climb out on my nose and you'll keep dry," said the fox. "Thank you," said the gingerbread man as he climbed out on the fox's nose. "Thank you," said the fox as he swallowed the gingerbread man and licked his lips. "I love gingerbread too."